watching Coast Life, where we are always introducing you to some delicious foods and drinks.
Absolutely.
Yes, that's why today we have Katie and Charles with us with Northeast Seafood. Thank you both for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
Of course. So if you haven't been, you have to go to Northeast because it's delicious. Just take a look right here. Yes. First, just tell us a little bit about what you all are known for, what it's like inside your restaurant.
Okay. Well, our restaurant is a New England style based restaurant. We do a lot of New England style foods, lobster rolls, lobsters, pretty much anything you can get up north we do down here. A lot of maple syrup, just some good food you can't really get around here. So
that's great. And what sets you apart from other, maybe even Sodell restaurants? Because you are a Sodell restaurant. So what makes you a little bit different than if someone's been to the other Sodells?
Katie?
I think just, being one of the ones that has been here the longest, it just has that, really homey atmosphere. We have very nautical themed restaurant. I don't know, it's just, it can be similar to some places like Blue Coast Bethany or Blue Coast Rehoboth, but Northeast just has this different vibe about it. It's very laid back, great food, just a cool spot.
Yeah, you guys said you've been open for a while, the longest of the Sodell restaurants. What keeps customers coming back year after year and enjoying the space?
Besides our smiling faces.
Of course, the smiling faces.
Well, we have our famous fried chicken that we've had on the menu for a very long time. Our salmon with Boston baked beans. They always come back for these items, and we always leave them on the menu. We change the menu like 3 to 4 times a year. So we keep the staple menu items, and then we change up, whatever I decide to throw on the menu, I guess.
Sure.
The fried chicken is amazing. If you have not come, you have to get it.
Definitely, because the first
put that on our list.
Yes, fried chicken, and then this beautiful creation here. I want to talk about this too, because when you mentioned salmon and baked beans, I would have not put that together.
Right.
Just like I wouldn't have put pineapple and lobster together, but now I would. So tell us a little bit about what's in front of us today.
So we have the Moroccan lobster roll. Matt Haley was the founder of our company, and he always put the Moroccan lobster roll on the menu. We have a hot lobster roll, a cold lobster roll. This one's mayonnaise based. It's got celery seed, curry, and then caramelized pineapple on top with a buttered split top roll. So it's a good staple I'm gonna keep on for a little bit. Give the customers something different.
Yeah. Ooh, okay, so it might not be there forever.
It won't be here forever. It's not on the main menu, but it's something that we bring back every now and then that people like.
Gotta get in and get some.
Kind of brings them in.
I'm glad you mentioned that. We have to race there. Okay, and what are we pairing it with today?
Well, this is our pineapple teeny. So this is something that we offer at happy hour every day. It's just our house-infused pineapple vodka and just pineapple juice. It's so simple. It's very cost efficient, and it's delicious. So
yeah, it's elegant looking too. Like all these things go very nicely together visually too.
Definitely. And would you put this hot sauce on this, or is that for maybe a side?
So I brought the hot sauce just to show that we make a maple-based hot sauce, so you can use it. We have them in the restaurant. You can use them. We sell them to customers. They buy them all the time. That's something different.
Yeah,
really good.
You said you change your menu up, a couple times a year as we gear up for summer. What's the menu looking like?
Well, there's probably gonna be a lot of corn, a lot of local produce. We do a lot of local stuff. So I'm starting to think about little things now. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll put some stuff on the menu.
Check back in.
Yeah. I'm curious too, though, because I can't imagine how people come up with these amazing food concoctions. What goes into it with you when you are creating a new menu? What's your inspiration, if you will?
It's a little different for me because I'm not a seafood guy, which is kind of crazy. I know.
You have a lobster on your hat.
We do a lot of fish too. A lot of fish in house, different kinds of fish. We do what we call a fish board. So I brought local sweet corn in, grilled it, cut it off the cob. Local cucumbers. I made peach butter from Bennett's Orchard. So a nice, beautiful plate.
Yes.
It starts with your eyes. I believe it starts with the eyes. If it looks good, it's going to taste good. So that's kind of where I go with that, I guess.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Just hearing about it. So yeah, definitely. And that's really cool that you use local ingredients, because Sodell has, they're a local company, but you really have grown into this massive, well-known company on Delmarva.
And I mean, one of my favorite things about coastal Delmarva is locals supporting locals, that we all help each other out, and it really does build this sense of community, so that people who, regularly visit Bennett Orchards, they get excited for things like that when they hear a familiar name, and it's such a special thing that Sodell does.
Yeah.
Next month we're doing our local produce month, so we'll do a lot of things with, we just got a bunch of the Bennett peaches in, and one of our bartenders Will, he loves to come up with things. So he yesterday was kind of picking my brain because we have a lot of leftover bourbons and stuff. So we made a peach smash. So we made like a peach puree. That's going to be awesome. We got to try it last night. So
I think
we'll
we're
put it on
doing
for this weekend.
I think we're doing some kind of summer crush too. I was hearing about it. Something that's going to go in the menu.
Right.
So different crushes maybe. I'm not sure.
So plan for multiple trips.
Exactly.
Yeah, there's a lot of things going on.
Great. Okay, well, I know we talked too about some other things you have coming up. I'm going to leave you with that, though, for now. We're going to hear more about it when we come back. All right, hope I didn't leave you too hungry, leave you with too much anticipation. Don't worry, we're back with Charles and Katie with Northeast Seafood. So you were telling us during the break about something you guys have to hear about. It's called a lobster bake. Please tell us when we can enjoy this and what's in this.
So our first one is July 23rd.
Yep.
It's a Sunday.
Okay.
By reservation, so we would like people to call. This is it's just a lobster bake. You come and you get this huge tray of mussels, clams, linguiça sausage, potatoes, ears of corn, and we're actually going to do a complimentary dish of hush puppies to go with it, and a nice 1 1/4 pound lobster on top of all of it. So.
Did you get all that?
Right.
Oh my gosh. And your lobster, Maine, right? Known for lobsters. That's where you're getting it from, right?
Yep, Maine. Yep, they come down from Maine.
Wow.
Nice and sweet meat.
So you're getting,
Authentic
Yep.
Northeast.
yes. None of that extra stuff. It's like getting a crab from Maryland, right? Exactly. Very cool. So whether you're going for the lobster bake or not, though, let's talk happy hour. 'Cause everyone loves happy hour. Tell us a little bit about yours.
We have happy hour every day from 4 till 6. There's 14 seats at the bar, plus 2 high tops that seat 2, so we can seat 18 in the bar area.
Nice.
And then our outside patio, we offer happy hour at all the tables. So that's always great, and get people in, get people to sit outside. And we offer everything from, we already talked about our famous fried chicken. We offer a half of that portion for happy hour. I think it's like $13. Our draft beers are on for $5. We have house wines for $6. Any of our rail mixed drinks, so when gin and tonic, vodka tonic, something like that, it's $4. So
It's a good happy hour.
Yes, steamed clams, mussels, all of those things are on
Wings,
there.
we got all kinds of stuff.
Shrimp.
Out there, so.
So this sounds like the perfect summer atmosphere, honestly, right? Happy hour drinks and seafood.
Doesn't get better than that.
The pineapple martini that
Yes.
That's so cute.
All right, so now that's been staring at me all day, can we try it out real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
get in
Okay,
there.
let's try it,
Please
Leah.
do.
All right,
Okay.
let's divide and conquer.
All right, okay, here we go. Lobster with caramelized pineapple on top?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, heck yeah. Okay. Holy cow. I ate my hair.
It looks amazing.
So good. We have to Lady in the Tramp
Smells
this later.
yeah.
You will. You can eat the other half. Oh my
Sure.
gosh. Okay. Try. That's
we
gonna
gotta
taste
wash
really
it
good with that,
down.
I bet.
This one, of course, matches my dress because I gotta accessorize.
Exactly.
You're right, that's simple, but really, really tasty.
Right.
And especially on like a hot summer day outside,
Oh, yeah.
that'll hit the spot.
It's beautiful with it too.
I know. Oh, best
So
meal.
good. Okay, I'm not kidding. These were amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might have to do a little switcheroo.
I have to, polish these off.
Yeah. So we'll do that, but don't just take our word for it. Head over to Northeast because you're not going to regret this.
Again, they got that rockin' happy hour.
Yes, that's right. All right. Well, thank you both so much for being here.
Thank
and
you.
we'll see you at happy hour soon.
Thank you.
Sounds
Of
good.
course. All right. Don't go anywhere just yet. I know it's almost happy hour. We have a little bit more CoastLife to get to. Don't go anywhere.